Hi guys, I'm going to demonstrate how to create ringtones from voice memos on LG Optimus S. This is my wife's phone. In order to do this, you're going to need two applications from Android Market that are free. One of them is ES File Explorer right here, and the other one is TapeATalk. TapeATalk is a voice memo recorder. It's a very good one. It has great reviews, and it records in Wave, which is a Windows audio format, and ES File Explorer is very useful for browsing the SD card. Also the phone flash memory, but I wouldn't encourage anybody not proficient enough to go in there because you can possibly mess up the phone. So I got TapeATalk again. If you can see it here, I don't know. This is not sharp. Tape-A-Talk. It's this. Let's see if I still have it on the market. No. I have TapeATalk. There it is. There's a free version, there's an advanced version, but you don't need it for this particular experiment. So I'm going to go into that voice memo recorder, and I'm going to record something for, let's say, a new voice memo. Alright, so that's my new voice memo. And let's play it again. Alright. Now, in order to move it, this voice recorder actually has an option to set it as a, wait, let's see here. You can set it as a ringtone. However, this becomes a default ringtone, and you can save it as a contact ringtone. So I'm going to hack it a little bit here to achieve that, to get more flexibility. So let me just see the options here. I could set as a ringtone, but again, I'm not going to do it within this software, within this app. I'm just going to go into my ES File Explorer, and then I'm going to go into TapeATalk Records on the micro SD card, and I'm going to select the one from today, and I'm going to select copy. Then I'm going to go back to media, audio. Oh, I don't even have a ringtone folder. So I'm going to create a ringtone folder here. Wait, that's not it. More. There it is, new folder. And the folder name should be ringtones. Ringtones. Make sure you type it correctly. And OK. Alright, so now I have ringtones on the phone. And I can copy my file in there. So I go to Menu, Operations, Paste. And just because this has a numeric name, I'm just going to rename it. Rename it to something more convenient. In this case, it's going to be test.wav. Make sure that you keep the extension because that's crucial. Without a proper extension, your ringtone is useless. So test. Oops. I'm not used to this keyboard. This is my wife's phone. I have a much better screen on Evo. But there it is. So if I click it, so it works. And now if I go to my ringtones go back to home screen, menu, settings, sound, phone ringtone. Now I can go back to, and there's my test showing right here. Watch. So this way I can still go back to my TapeATalk application, and I can even delete that memo, which is this one. And I still have the ringtone, even though I deleted it. If I go back into my ringtone, you can see that it's still there under test. So it gives me more flexibility. And this way you can record more ringtones and move them all together or one by one into this ringtone folder and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Good luck.